everyone, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Luna the Moon Tarot. You guys know me as Neha Tankha as well. So today's current energy update is going to be regarding what actions are they going to take, what the past has been, what the present looked like, and what actions or the future looks like, or the actions they are going to take. Before I proceed, do not forget to connect with my energies by liking this particular video and drop I claim in the comment section. All right, so let's see what is it that you should know today. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that ASAP right away so that you don't miss out on to any energy update at all. Let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings. Stay tuned till the last of this video, because in any situation, if this particular reading resonates with you, you can also book a spell work with me, and I'm going to suggest, in case if this is your scenario, this is what you should go for. Let's see. The very first card that came out is Knight of Pentacles. It seems that your person is taking a hell lot of time to tell you things, to give you clarity, to take a step forward, to exactly tell you how they feel, to express how they feel towards you in this particular connection. You may be dealing with the Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn here. I do see with the Page of Swords, there is a very strong stalker energy. Your person seems to be like keeping an eye on you. They are observing you. They are trying to get things out of you. They are trying to get information about you. They may be in touch with your friends. They are trying to get information through social media profile. They may be also trying to get hold of you trying to get hold of information about you through other various channels as well. They are somebody who is quite traditional, I would say, somebody who has a very old traditional sort of a thought process, thinking. Okay, they want to take this connection forward, but very slowly and gradually they want to bring in stability and a lot of security and a meaningful relationship in this particular connection. They want to create a meaningful relationship with you, hence they are taking their own time, because it's also about stability, long-term commitment, and maybe in few situations it's about marriage. With the Ten of Swords, I feel that there has been a certain ending. Probably right now you may be in a no contact situation. There is a temporary ending that I see, but this ending, don't worry, is not a permanent one. It's not a permanent moving on. It's not a permanent thing. I do see that this is a temporary ending, because a new chapter is about to begin in your relationship. I feel that they are trying to work on themselves. They are trying to work. They are trying to put in efforts, because they understand that in case if they really want this particular connection to bloom in their life, then they will have to put in a lot of efforts, and they will have to work a lot on their own personality to be worthy of you, to get what they want. Okay, you can be also dealing with a strong Gemini or a Taurus here, or an Aquarian. With the King of Swords, I feel that right now they may be showing off, they may be giving you a cold shoulder, because they do not want to show you how much they are involved with you or in this particular connection. I feel that it is just their outer exterior that they are showing right now, but they know that they need to put in a lot of work. They need to groom themselves, or they need to make themselves capable or worthy enough to be in this connection with you, to be with you completely. So with the Six of Pentacles, again I feel that there is a lot of imbalance in this particular connection. The give and take, you were the one who was the giver and they were the takers. So now they understand that in case if they actually be in this connection, they have to invest. They have to invest in a balanced way. They cannot run away from this particular situation, and until unless they are not ready to do that, they won't be able to come forward. Okay, so if you guys have been thinking that is it over, should I move on, then the answer is no. It is not a breakup. It is not over for forever. I see that this person definitely is thinking of a comeback, is planning a comeback, but it is going to take a little bit more time. It is not going to be an immediate comeback. It is going to take a little bit more time. The reason why they are going to take time is because they want to work upon themselves. They want to they want to feel worthy of being in this particular connection. They don't want to give you half cooked relationship basically. And that particular thought process is weighing really heavy on themselves, because they feel that you have invested a lot, and they acknowledge that thing, that you have been investing a lot in this connection, and they are not able to give you anything, because at the end of the day you are looking for stability, a commitment, and they want to give you stability, they want to give you commitment. The only issue and the only problem is that they are unable to actually take that call or that decision, because they right now intuitively they are not ready. Okay, spiritually, intuitively, they are not ready to actually give you that sort of a commitment. That is the only thing. With the three of pentacles, I feel that this person is willing to put in efforts. They want to put in efforts. It's willing to put in efforts. They want to give in equally in this particular relationship. And now they are getting ready. They are they spirit guides, or they are getting those messages downloaded in their mind, channeled in their mind, that they have to be back in this connection, but only when they are a better person, a person who deserves you. Okay, and they realize this thing, which is a very good awakening that is happening within them. It is not going to resonate with every one of you, but for few I feel that there is a third party involvement in this particular connection. Can be somebody who can be a Sagittarius, or can be a lady figure, or maybe their past person, past ex person, or a mother, a sister, or a best friend, but somebody is trying to control them. Okay, somebody is trying to control their mind, somebody is actually trying to control them. So beware of that. You can book a third party removal spell in case if you are dealing or juggling with a third party situation in your connection. Okay, if you're looking for commitment, this particular commitment is what is weighing heavy on their mind right now. They want to come forward, but they don't have that much guts, or I would say courage, to come forward with it. In case if you are looking for commitment, that you can go for 7 days marriage commitment in this particular situation. With the Judgment card, I see the divine itself is playing a role in this particular connection. So it is not like that it's over, and the spirit guides are not ready to help you out. The fact is that spirit guides is working behind the scenes for you. Okay, the divine is itself playing a role here, and things are going to come towards you. It is going to be a little slow paced, but it is going to be there, because divine itself is making things happen for you, because the spirits want you to have somebody in your life who is worthy of you. So that is why this particular gap is there, because spirits want you to be with somebody who will take care of you, who you wanted to be there in your life, the kind of person or partner you wanted. And I do see that this person is soon going to jump in. They are going to break the silence if in case there is a no contact situation. In case if they have been just ghosting you and giving you cold vibes, then I do see that you are soon going to receive a message. Can be in next 24 to 48 hours as well, or within a week at the max. Okay, I see a communication coming up for you. I would not say it is going to be a reconciliation immediately, but this person is going to test the waters, because right now this person doesn't have any idea as to how they should proceed in this particular relationship. They are clueless and confused. Once they receive the answer, that is when things will start moving forward, and that is going to happen around October or post October only. But I do see that before that, no contact is going to break. In case if you've been asking them to have a face-to-face meeting, that is also going to happen, because in upcoming 3 weeks I see you guys being with each other, seeing each other, having fun time, eating, drinking, whatever. But I do see you guys meeting each other, and you are going to feel on top of the world. You are going to feel successful, and you're going to feel really, really happy, because all of a sudden you will feel that things are working out in your favor. But if you're going to keep high hopes, let me warn you, in the coming future you may get a heartbreak. Not because not because things are not moving on, because the kind of pace that you want things to move on and the expectations that you will have, because of that you will receive a heartbreak. So have bare minimum expectation from this person till the month of October. Once October ends, then you can go ahead and have high expectations, but not before that. Okay, keep it bare minimum, low key. Okay, otherwise you're gonna you will get frustrated, and you will feel that I need to put in more efforts to impress or to please this person, but this person will become stubborn, there will be fights that will happen, and then you're going to regret. So this is a warning sign for you. Okay, so this is a quick reading. So in this particular situation, I told you what is going to happen, but just be careful, just be calm, maintain that calm and patience within yourself, and things are going to turn out. It is going to take time, but eventually it will plan out for you. I would suggest go for the love, reconciliation, commitment spell work for 7 days, and go for the third party for 7 days. If you're going to take two spell work, there is a discount of 10% that I'm offering on two spell works if you take. And in case if you go for one, you can go for any one of them. Of course, third party is important. And otherwise you can go for the love obsession, you can go for marriage commitment. In case if there is any other situation, you can let me know. I can suggest you on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is linked in the bio. All right, thank you guys. I'm gonna see you later, and bye bye.